Look up here, Julian. Watch. Look, Julian. Look at the colors. Look at the colors.
Oh.
What color is this? Look, Julian. You see the colors? It smells like bubble gum. Oh, it's washing us. Do again?
Blue.
You want blue soap now?
Oh yeah.
I don't know what color it does.
Oh, look up here. Look up here. Look, Julian. Look up here. Oh,
You like it? You want to do it again?
I think they're gonna do it again.
Is it loud?
Get off on the gray car.
Nope, something's going
Get
on.
off on the gray car.
What?
What's this?
Pink soap.
Pink.
Mm.
What's this?
Oh.
It's a papa.
It looks purple?
Oh yeah.
Oh, spot fragrance.
Papa.
Probably almost
It's a papa. It's a papa one.
Do you like the car wash?
Oh yeah. Green. What's green?
What?